So all right, so we're gonna go track, start, ARRMA. All right there. Hard to deal with this here because I have to put the truck right up in the street. All right. It's kind of crazy, but it is what it is.
It's what we got. So I'm just gonna. A lot of cars, man. A lot of cars. Lots of cars. Yeah. I'm gonna try a little. Oh, just a little quick run. See what's up. There's too many cars.
All right. All right. All right, that was good. Good little hit. All right, that was a good little hit. 60%. Let's bring it back. Pretty steady. Like it. Like it. Love this truck. Love it. All right. All right, let's get the phone so we can get some speed. All right. So let's see. Let's see. All right, it's tracking. Stop, read. 91. 91. And that was at 60%. Second line to the right, 60%. All right. So we're gonna go track start. All right. We're gonna give it the beans at. We're gonna do 80%. Not gonna do much, just 80%. I'm not gonna go crazy on it. All right.
It's pretty out there. I gotta wait for those cars. Gotta wait for those cars to, Alright. 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 Let's bring it back. It just stopped. Why? That's weird. What happened? Did it overheat? What happened? It's turning. Wheels are turning, so I don't know what,
It's like a signal loss type thing. Yeah, it's like a signal loss. Yeah, all right, let's put the body back on it.
Feels like a signal loss, that's fine. See. Alright, so that post, that was a body post, but that's fine. Let's take it back, see what kind of speeds we got. This truck is crazy, man. Well, remember, this is the felony. This is the felony. It's not an infraction, this was the felony that ran 130.
And here you can see, I just tested at 80%. But I lost a body post, so I'm not gonna run it without a body post because it's gonna touch the tires or it might scratch that. So
I'm not gonna run it without a body post. So let's see what kind of speed we got. Let's see what kind of speed we got. All right. Yep.
Or okay. So let's make sure it's tracking. It is tracking. Stop. Read. 110. 110. The first day out. The first day out. The first pass at, look at it right there, 80%, guys, 80%. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn off GPS. All right, gonna turn off the GPS. All right, and I'm gonna show you what's in here because I lost one of the posts, so I'm not gonna push the truck, man. It's a beautiful truck. I don't want to mess it up. So Mamba Monster 8S, 1717, 16, 50 kV. All right, two 4S batteries, GRP tires, and nothing. I just got these carbon fiber plates, and this is the body post that I lost, so I'm not gonna mess with it. So nothing. That's pretty much it. Good test run, 110 miles, first day out, first time out. So I'm pretty happy about it, and I believe, it's my opinion, that the truck looks beautiful. And as you can see, 110 miles, no problem. The truck runs super straight in comparison to the Felony, which was a mess all the time, and it was just crashing and crashing. So I'd rather have the truck than have the Felony with the crazy Felony body that it was just crashing all the time. So anyway, let me put the body back on it, and thank you for watching, guys.